In this guide, I'll show you how to use the Uber Eats referral code. Using a referral code on Uber Eats can help you save money on your orders and earn rewards for both you and the person who referred you. And here's a step-by-step on how to do it. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Uber Eats application. Open the application and then tap Sign Up to start the registration process. Fill in your name, email address, and create a password. You may need to enter your phone number. If your friend shared a referral link via email or text, click on it, and the link will automatically apply the code. And follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. If you don't have a link, open the Uber Eats app and go to the Sign Up page. Look for a field labeled Referral Code. Input the code there and continue with the registration process and submit your details. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.